Welcome back to Pi Academy. This is my fourth video on beta and gamma function. Others videos link provided in description box. Today I establish duplication formula. So here is duplication formula. Root pi into gamma of 2n equal to 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into gamma n into gamma n plus half, where n greater than 0. Proof. We have the formula beta m comma n equal to gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. We proved in the last video. And this is also the formula of beta mn equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2m minus 1 theta into cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Now putting m equal to n, we have beta n comma m equal to gamma n into gamma n divided by gamma 2n and equal to 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta into d theta. Therefore, here is gamma n into gamma n, that is gamma n whole square divided by gamma 2n, and this also to adjust these two, that is 2 sine theta cos theta whole to the power 2n minus 1, we adjust by this 2 to the power 2n minus 1, and this is the formula of sine 2 theta. Therefore 2 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 theta whole to the power 2n minus 1 into d theta. Now I put 2 theta equal to phi. Therefore 2 into d theta equal to d phi. When theta equal to 0, that is theta equal to 0, phi equal to also 0. And when theta equal to pi by 2, that is pi by 2, that is phi is also pi. Therefore from this we get gamma n whole square divided by gamma 2n. Gamma 2n equal to 2 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into 0 to pi sine phi whole to the power 2n minus 1 into half into d phi, because the value of d theta is d phi by divided by 2, that is half into d phi. Now this half and 2 cancelled, therefore 1 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into 0 to pi sine phi whole to the power 2n minus 1 into d phi. Now we can write the above integration as 1 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 phi plus sine to the power 2n minus 1 pi minus phi into d phi, because there is a rule that we know that 0 to 2a fx into dx equal to 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x into dx, and this also sine pi minus phi, that is this second quadrant, therefore sine pi minus phi, that is sine phi, and sine phi and sine phi 2 into sine to the power 2n minus 1 phi d phi, and this limit is 0 to pi by 2. This also, therefore we can write this as 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 2n minus 1 phi into cos to the power 2 into half minus 1, that is 2 into half, that is 2 to cancel, then 1 minus 1, that is 0, cos phi whole to the power 0, that is 1. In place of 1 we can write this, and this is the formula of beta m comma m. Here m equal to n and n equal to half, that is beta n comma half. Now the left hand side is gamma n whole square whole divided by gamma 2n equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1, and also we have the formula that beta mn equal to gamma m into gamma n, here m equal to n, and gamma half divided by gamma n plus half. Now gamma n and gamma n cancelled. Therefore, gamma n divided by gamma 2n equal to 1 divided by 2 to the power 2n minus 1, and gamma half divided by gamma 2n plus half. And also we know that gamma half equal to root pi. We also proved this in the last video. I proved also that gamma half equal to root pi. Therefore, gamma n divided by gamma 2n equal to 1 divided 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into root pi divided by gamma n plus half. Now, by cross multiplication, we get the required result, that is root pi into gamma 2n equal to 2 to the power 2n minus 1 into gamma n plus half, and the proof is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Pi Academy to get more videos.